Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about Jesus Just Left Chicago by ZZ Top. Dusty Hill just passed away and I wanted to honor the work they did. One of my favorite bands, all-time favorite bands, doesn't exist anymore, so it was about time to check out a song of them, and to honor Mr. Shuffle, I've chosen this song, Jesus Just Left Chicago. It's gonna be this one here. Probably you know it. So on. So this is a 12-bar shuffle blues in G, but it has a lot of special things which we're going to talk about now. So let's get started. On the original recording you have two guitars, so they have overdubs. So there's the rhythm guitar and also which is a clean or a nearly acoustic guitar sound, and the distorted guitar sound by Billy Gibbons. I'm gonna put together those two parts in one guitar, so that will be the version which can be played live and which comes along mostly how it should be. So, as I said, it's a shuffle blues in G, and it starts, as I said, I took the version on the record, which is together, I think the song before is something with a boss stop, and I just chosen that version. I'm not sure if every version is the same, because the form of the song is pretty special. The chords are really simple. It's the very beginning is 1, 2, 3, 4 here in the third fret, and then G, just press here, and then C with the G in the bass. Something really simple chord, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Really simple. So the intro makes 1, 2, 3, 4. Just has this note in between, and then it starts 4 bars of this. So this will be 1 bar 4 times. Then the same thing on C, but since we cannot play it like this, we could, but it will work, but we do it this way. Probably that's the way it's originally played here. Then we have here in the 5th fret bar of a D, G and B string, and 6th fret, 7th fret. Then back to G. And now comes the special part. As I said, the chords are really simple. There's not much to say about it. Now we have 3 bars of this one here, G. And now it goes to A. 1, 2, and 3, 4. This part here, we have A over the 2nd fret here to C, and we just play till the G string, and then 1st fret, 3rd fret, and then we just keep it. And then comes this one here, really a iconic figure which played by Billy Gibbons, but well, it's played by many blues players, but he used this really often. Here, 3rd fret, pinky in the 6th fret, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the whole thing starts again. Okay, so I'm gonna play the first part, that is C. Now it starts, singing starts. Four bars. Now goes to C. Back to G. Three bars. Now comes this. And now the figure. 1. And now it starts again. Okay? So that's the whole thing. That's not so hard to play. The harder part is they alter the form. That means, you know, in the second row you play the whole thing again. But now, at the end of the second row, we play this one. We play 2 bars of those. We play 2. And when it goes to solo, we play even 3 of those. Don't ask me why, but maybe it just happened by accident or not, who knows. But that's really special, and you really need to listen to this. The form is always the same, as just showed. It's a special 12-bar blues. We have 4 bars of G, 2 bars of C, 3 bars of G. That's 1 bar of half bar A, half bar C, and then 2 bars G. In the first thing. In the second one, at the end, we have 3 bars G, but 2 bars with the figure. And on the solo, he keeps the figure going on, and that's I think 4 times, but he also the form remains. Even you're not sure if the form remains. That makes the whole thing really special. Yeah, guys, I won't talk about the solo. I mean, it's a blues in G. You can play anything on. If you play it in a trio formation, just bass and drums and guitar, it's probably going to be hard because there's really a lot of space. Now you probably go for typical Billy Gibbons stuff with a lot of double stops, but in this specific recording he's not doing it. Why? Because there's not a guitar on the recording with overdubs, but in the live version I probably would go more for double stop stuff, you know, something like, yeah, well, I have a tutorial with his style, you can check out that one. Something like this, you know, that would also work. I mean, it's up to you. It's a blues, and you can play whatever you want here. It's really cool. I just wanted to show you how the whole song is played, and even it's a simple shuffle blues, it's pretty complicated because of the form. You really have to pay attention where you are. And I think these guys have played so many years together. I think that was on cue, that stuff. You know, they just look, okay, now Dusty just knew, okay, if he plays that figure, I just keep it going on. And it was not really, like an arrangement. It was just the way it happened. That's what I personally think, because it happens a lot with musicians like this. There's not so structures that many of you guys think. Many of the things just happen because they happen, and then you play together for a long time and things get, you just have a dynamic between two people and it just happens like this. That's the point. Yeah, good. One more to say. I tapped out the stuff here for you, the rhythm guitar. If you want to download this backing track, drum and bass, with these tabs that are available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you have any questions, join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you just want to join a cool guitar community, join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, because it's the coolest community ever. Small but cool. Yo, there's no more to say. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye. Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel, and if you love what I'm doing, please share the channel to all your friends and pals, to forums about guitar playing, stuff like that, just to spread the word, to keep it growing, to, the more viewers, the more content you will get. It's upon you what will happen with this channel, guys. Yeah, see you guys, me and Dr. Pink. We are going to Chicago now.